We're finally on a hike again, heading down to the beach, even with a few little redwoods to spare. We're almost too south for the redwoods, but not quite yet. But just a small little trail, and then we're going to be on some beach I can't remember the name of. We made it to the beach. Riley and Jess and Cooper want to get all the birds, all the squirrels, now all the moths or butterflies or whatever ones you're seeing. It's a nice beach place. We're liking it. Picnic on the beach, the puppies get to walk around, and we have an umbrella and that helps. Oh, boys. Oh no, he's coming to get me.